In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get really narrow columns in Notion. Narrow columns are great for dashboards, side-by-side lists, and layouts that save space without sacrificing clarity. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can replicate it right away. First, create your columns. Start with any blocks you want side by side: text, to-dos, headings, or databases. Grab the 6-dot handle to the left of a block and drag it to the right, next to another block, until you see a vertical guide appear. Drop it there and you'll have 2 columns. Repeat this with additional blocks to build out your layout. If your content jumps, that's normal. Notion is just rearranging the blocks into the new column structure. Now, hover in between columns until your cursor changes. Move your mouse into the gap where the 2 columns meet. Look for the thin divider line that appears between them. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will switch to a horizontal resize icon. If you don't see it right away, try nudging your cursor a few pixels left or right, or hover closer to the top edge of the columns. This works best on desktop or the web app where the divider is easiest to grab. Then adjust the size to make it smaller. Click and drag that divider left or right to set the exact width you want. As you move, Notion gives you a live preview so you can watch your content wrap and reflow. Release when the column looks narrow enough for your needs. Keep an eye on long headings or images. If they feel cramped, tweak the width until everything is readable. Notion will remember these widths for that specific row of columns. You can also add more columns to decrease the size of all columns at once. Notion distributes available space across the columns in a row, so adding a 3rd or 4th column automatically makes each one narrower. To do this, create another block and drag it into the same row until it snaps beside the others. Rearrange as needed to balance your layout. Just be mindful of readability. 3 or 4 columns often hits a sweet spot for compact dashboards without overwhelming the page. And there you go. Create your columns, hover between them until the cursor changes, drag to resize, and add more columns when you want everything slimmer. That's all you need to get clean, narrow columns in Notion.